Hello, and welcome to a tutorial on how to safely use a mill. Before you begin, make sure that the part has been prepared correctly and that you have any other tools you may need. This may include parallels, which are used to keep pieces flat during cuts. To start, insert the drill bit into the machine by lining up the bit's indented section to the tension screw, and then tighten. Next, load the piece along with the parallels into the vise. Then tighten the vise to clamp everything down. Before turning on the machine, add oil to the area you intend to cut. Now turn on the machine and lower the bit until it completely penetrates the piece. Push the black knob on the height adjustment handle to lock the height of the drill bit. Once you have done so, turn the handles at the bottom to move the piece on the horizontal plane. Make sure to turn the handles slowly and add oil as needed. Feel free to use the gauges to the side of the machine to measure how much the piece has moved. Once you are done, pull the black knob out and retract the bit completely before turning off the machine. Wait for the piece to cool off and then remove it and the bit from the machine. Clean up your workspace and put parallels and all other tools back where you found them. Congratulations! You just learned how to use the mill.